Hi students, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I will be teaching you question number 13, company accounts. How to pass the journal entries. So we will move to question number 13. I will read the question, just listen, understand, and then we will do the sum. Page number 259. Simon Limited issued 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at par payable on application. Rupees 1 per share on allotment, rupees 5 per share on first call, rupees 2 per share, and on second and final call rupees 2 per share. The issue was fully subscribed and all the amounts were duly received with the exception of 2,000 shares held by Chelian, who failed to pay the second and final call. His shares were forfeited and reissued to Ilango at rupees 8 per share. Journalize the above transactions. So here Simon Limited is issuing 50,000 shares. Okay. So all the shares are subscribed. There is no oversubscription here. All the shares are subscribed. And application money, allotment money, first call money, final call money, everything is there. But only one shareholder who was holding 2,000 shares, he failed to pay the second and final call. So his shares were forfeited. So you have to write the journal for forfeiture, reissue and capital reserve. Before that, you have to write all the entries. You have to write for application, allotment, call, first call, final call, everything. Then finally come to the forfeiture, reissue and capital reserve. Okay. So 50,000 equity shares issued. So application money for one share is rupee 1. So what is the first entry? Receipt of application money. Okay. So you write journal entries in the books of Simon Limited. Write it in the center of the page. Okay. Receipt of application money. Bank account data to equity share application account. 50,000 shares application money received. It is for 50,000 shares. Okay. So 50,000 into 1 rupee application money. So 50,000. First is receipt of application money. Then what you must do, this application money should be transferred to share capital. So equity share application account data to equity share capital account. So application money transferred to share capital account. Okay. Receipt of application. This application money we have to transfer to share capital. So fully they are paying. So write 50,000. 50,000. What is the next entry? You have to write the allotment. You have to ask the shareholder to pay the allotment. So you write the due entry. So equity share allotment account data to equity share capital account. Okay. So allotment money due. So 50,000 rupees. What is the allotment money for one share? 5 rupees. So if you multiply, you will get 2,50,000. 2,50,000. Allotment money is due for 50,000 shares. Next, what you have to write? Allotment money is received. Okay. So what you have to write? Bank account debtor to equity share allotment account. Okay. Allotment money received. Again same amount, full money received. So 2,50,000, 2,50,000. What is the next entry? First call money due. Okay. Equity share first call account debtor to equity share capital account. First call money due. For how many shares? 50,000 shares. What is the first call for one share? 2 rupees. So 50,000 into 2, that will give you 1 lakh. 1 lakh rupees call money due. Next is first call money received. So bank account debtor to equity share first call account. Okay. First call money received. Okay. First call money 1 lakh. Okay. Next, what you have to write? Second and final call money due. Equity share second and final call account debtor to equity share capital account. Okay. So second call money due. For how many shares? 50,000 shares. Again, how much rupees? 2 rupees. So that will give you 1 lakh. Okay. Now, next, what is the next entry? Call money received. Second call money received. But see the question. One shareholder who was holding 2,000 shares, he failed to pay the second and final call money. So when you are receiving, you will not receive for 50,000 shares, you will receive only for 48,000 shares. Okay. So you have to write like this. Bank account debtor to equity second and final call account. Second call money received. 2000 shares. 2000 shares money not received. Okay. So out of the 50,000 shares, 2000 shares one person is not paying the money. So you will receive the money only for 48,000 shares. 48,000 into 2. So that will give you 96,000. 96,000. Okay. Call money due. All the money are receiving except for 2000 shares. So bank to equity share. Okay. Bank account data to equity share, second and final call account. Okay. 2000 shares, subtract 48,000, you will receive 96,000. Okay. Next, 2000 shares forfeited. So forfeiture, what you have to do? Debit share capital, equity share capital account data to what he didn't pay? He didn't pay second and final call. Equity share second and final call account. He didn't pay equity share second and final call. What he paid already, he paid application money, he paid allotment money, he paid the first call money. All this goes to the company. It is a profit for the company that goes to forfeited shares account. To forfeited shares account. Okay. So 2000 shares forfeited. So that will give you here, you write 2000 shares, face value is 10 rupees, 2000 shares, not paid second and final call 2 rupees. So it is understood he has paid out of the 10 rupees, he didn't pay 2 rupees. So he has already paid 8 rupees. Okay. So 20,000, 4,000, 16,000. This 16,000 is a profit. Okay. Now these shares are reissued. It is reissued for how much rupees? These shares are reissued for 8 rupees. Okay. So bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to equity share capital account. Okay, 2000 shares reissued. Okay, so now these 2000 shares are given for 8 rupees. It is 10 rupees, but we are giving for 8 rupees. So your loss is 2 rupees. Okay, 16,000, 4,000, 20,000. Okay, so this is a loss on reissue. Okay, here also 2000 shares forfeited, here also 2000 shares reissued. So this minus this, that will go to capital reserve account. Okay, so forfeited shares account debtor to capital reserve account. So what you have to write here? Profit on forfeiture transferred to capital reserve account. Okay. So this 16,000 minus this 4,000, that will give you 12,000. 16,000 minus 4,000. Okay, that will give you 12,000 is your capital reserve. Okay, 2,000 shares forfeited, 2,000 shares reissued. So the profit on forfeiture 16,000 minus 4,000, 12,000, that goes to capital reserve account. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.